Morning, welcome to our channel. Enjoy the video until end. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like button. Thank you. Prepare eye makeup tool. Start brush thinly with a light foundation first. Repeat until you get the desired result. Continue applying eyeshadow. Prepare eye makeup tool.
Beautiful eye makeup ready.
Push slightly to create eyeshadow. Make it up well.
Beautiful eyeshadow.
Awesome eye makeup. Use pencil makeup tool.
Continue brush slowly.
Do it until all eye makeup finish.
Beautiful performance.